question is on wave motion. The question says a progressive wave of frequency 20 Hz and speed 60 cm per second is reflected upon itself, such that a stationary wave is formed. The distance between the node and the adjacent antinode is, we don't know the distance between the node and the adjacent antinode. The frequency is given, which is 20 Hz. The speed of the wave is 60 cm per second. And if we are looking for a distance between a node and the adjacent antinode, let's draw the situation of the question. We have a rope here. If we pull this rope up and down, a wave will be formed, which will be reflected back. This point is the node. We have node here and we have another node there. This is the antinode. So the distance between the node and the antinode is a quarter of the wavelength. So that distance is given to us. The distance between node and antinode from the question is given as, we are asked to find that distance. From the speed of the wave is given as the frequency times wavelength. Here the wavelength we can calculate by making the wavelength the subject of formula V over F. V is 60 cm per second and the frequency is 20 Hz. Per second can get across Hz because that's the same unit dimensionally, and 60 divided by 20 will give us 3 cm. And looking for the distance, which is quarter of a wavelength, that is 3 divided by 4 will give us 0.75 cm. So that's the distance between the node and an adjacent antinode.